Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to go through how to open TikTok on mute on your Android device. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the TikTok app. So let's find TikTok and I'm going to open it. Okay, so when I open it, it will most likely start playing sound. So I'm just going to pause that. Oops, I'm sorry. And the next thing you need to do is you need to go down to the bottom right hand corner and click profile. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you need to go up to the top right corner where there's three lines and click that. Okay, so now we're going to go down to settings and privacy. So we're going to open settings and privacy. Oops. Okay, so we're going to go down to where it says content and display, and we're going to go down to where it says playback, which is the sixth one, I think. Okay, so here your top option is to to open TikTok on mute. So we're going to toggle that over. Okay, so now once we go to that, the next time you go back into TikTok, it will automatically open and mute. It will. You might need to close the app first and then reopen it again, but it will work. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thank you very much.